What is HTML? HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard markup language used to create web pages. It is the foundational building block of every web page you see on the internet. HTML is not a programming language but rather a markup language that structures the content of a web page. It is the elements and layout of a web page, making it possible for web browsers to interpret and display text, images, links, forms, and other multimedia elements to users. HTML uses a system of tags, enclosed in angle brackets, to define the structure and content of a web page. These tags are responsible for various functions, such as creating headings, paragraphs, lists, links, and more. When a web browser receives an HTML document, it parses the document and renders it as a visual web page based on the instructions provided by the HTML tags. Key points. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a markup language, not a programming language. HTML defines the structure and content of web pages. HTML uses tags to structure and format content. Web browsers interpret HTML documents to display web pages to users. In summary, learning HTML is the gateway to the world of web development and digital content creation. It empowers you to build, design, and control web content, and it is a foundational skill for various career paths in the digital realm.